Alright guys, you're probably wondering why my truck is not on pavement. As you can see, this is pavement. This is not pavement. This is gravel with leaves and a little bit of mud and whatnot. I don't know. I feel like a good video location for today's video topic, because a lot of you have been asking me, hey, what's your schedule for 2019 for show season and stuff like that? Like, what events are you going to? Where are you filming at? And I finally compiled the list of where I'm going to go this year and potential places I will go, depending on, you know, time, budget, and stuff like that. But let's just take a minute to observe the K1500. We got Norris Lake, we got the K1500. Oh, it looks so good. So we'll start off with number one is Spring Rod Run 2019. Yeah, that's right guys. Spring Rod Run or Fall Rod Run, both in general, are my hometown events. I live like 45-50 minutes away from Pigeon Forge. That's kind of my hometown event that I go to every single year. Of course, I'm going to be there. I'll be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Me and my buddies and stuff will be staying up there, and it's going to be a great event, guys. Cannot wait to go. It's always a great event, meeting you all and everything like that. So that's what's going on in the spring, or that's the first event I'm going to. Number two on the list of events I'm going to is Daytona Truck Meet 2019. Yeah, I will be at Daytona Truck Meet 2019 this year again. I cannot miss Daytona. I love Daytona so daggum much that I cannot miss it. And I've got the truck, got a VIP spot this year, guys. That's the one thing you complain about, was I got a spot in the event, but it was in like the general parking area of the event. This year I spent the money. I've got the VIP spot for the K1500. I'm hoping for the K1500 I'll at least have the front end done before Daytona. If not, paint and body correction on the trim molding take off. Again, it just depends on time, budget, and a bunch of other things. But that's what I'm hoping for Daytona, guys. Daytona is like the SEMA of the South. Truck Fever, if you don't know who he is, Ty be popping up for his Instagram. Make sure you go follow him. He's an awesome guy. He just had his F-250 go to SEMA twice. One in 2017 and now 2018. So huge shout out to you, man. You're awesome. Love the event. And I cannot wait to be back there in the beach, guys. Cruising the beach with you all the nightlife. It's just, Daytona is just one of those events that I have to go back to. I can't miss it. So that's number two on the list. Number three on the list is Adrenaline Show in Nashville, Tennessee. I have not heard word that it's gonna come up, but usually in the next month or two they announce it. The Adrenaline Show in Nashville is a fantastic event. If you don't know what the Adrenaline Show is, it's not just a truck show, it's an automotive show, but it's mostly dominated by trucks. I know the owner of it that does the event, and the co-owners, and they're freaking fantastic people. It's at the Nashville Stadium in the parking lot in front of the Nashville Titans Stadium. I just love Nashville. I mean, again, that's not really my hometown event, but it's like a state event because I'm 3 hours away from Nashville, and I love going there. It's a great weekend trip, guys. Of course, you got the vibe, the downtown life, but it's just a fantastic, professional, friendly, no idiocy event, and I freaking love it. So that's number three on the list. And number four, of course, is Fall Rod Run. How can I miss Fall Rod Run? It's a fantastic freaking event. Same thing like spring, it's a fantastic event. Tennessee Diesel, of course, throws a Truck Fest event at during the fall, and it's a fantastic event. And now the Fall Rod Run, I will say, is a little bit smaller than the spring one. The spring one has a lot more people, but it's still the same vibe, guys. We all have fun, cruise the strip, cruise the beach, everything like that. I cannot wait to go back. It's gonna be freaking awesome. But that's just kind of rundown. And now the potential events. Potential events for this year is gonna probably be, of course, these are potential. Things can change, guys. I could add events or take away events, but what I'm thinking of is Myrtle Beach Truck Meet. I've been watching, keeping an eye on that meet, and that meet's grown like leaps and bounds. So I might go to one of them this year. The UCC Ultimate Call-Out Challenge up in Indianapolis, all the diesel stuff. I really want to go to that event. That event looks freaking cool, even though I don't own a diesel. I want to go see all the vendors, the drag racers. Some YouTubers will be there, like Greg A and all that. And I love going up there. I would love to go up there and see that kind of stuff. Of course, Alabama Truck Meet. I didn't get to go last year because my engine basically blew up. But hopefully I'll be back down for Alabama Truck Meet this year, guys. Maybe steel meet. That'd probably be more of a day trip than a freaking weekend trip to go to steel. And maybe Rudy's Diesel Show again. I love going to Rudy's. It's a great show, great drag racing, everything like that, sled pull, fantastic event. So that's kind of my rundown of this year's events, guys. I hope if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or you want to throw an event my way you want me to go to, comment them down or DM me on Instagram. I'll hopefully get back to you all as soon as possible. I'm trying to be more self-conscious about that, but with my schedule lately and everything, it's been absolutely nuts. I want to thank you all so much for the support, guys. You all's support has been killer lately with the likes, comments, the views, everything, guys. Keep it up. Of course, with the likes, guys, it really helps promote the channel and grow the channel and stuff like that. So thank you all so much for that. So I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.